Alright everybody, here we go. This is more of a finished product with the universal bike repair rack. And I've been getting some good positive feedback on certain Facebook pages. I want to appreciate everybody for shouting out or commenting and everything. But as you can see, legs do separate. They're removable and adjustable. You can take them off. It's a nice hefty 5/8 bolt nut. And also colors are optional. I can do more colors. Yellow looks very industrious. Safety yellow. And the rear chain stay holders, they are adjustable also. You can turn those. They turn. Hefty 5/8 nut and bolt. And all the wheels were done by yours truly. It's amazing what you can do with just a bed frame and a couple of nuts and bolts and a piece of rebar that you found in the middle of the street. Now I'm going to show you how to load one of your heavier motorized bikes onto this rack. Basically loads in from the left side, kickstand down, grab it by the upper chain stage right here, set the back wheel in, roll it in, pick it up. Easy as 1, 2, 3. That took all of 6 seconds to load in. Maybe 7, but it was still pretty much an easy load. It's sitting firmly on the rear chain stays, supporting the frame up front. It's in there, it's stable, it's not going nowhere. And now you can pretty much do whatever you need to do to this bike safely. And it unloads just the opposite. You just unhook your front, pick your rear chain stays up, and unload it push it to the front. There you have it. Universal bike repair rack.